Hi guys, today I'm gonna take you guys come to a Chatuchak weekend market. It's at like the largest weekend market in Bangkok. It's called Chatuchak. It has a lot of things to eat and drink, also clothes, second-hand merchandise, home decor, handicrafts, and also friends. You can also enjoy a soothing Thai massage after shopping. Navigating the markets can be slightly overwhelming. So snap a picture of the schematic map and show you what you can find in each section. For a smoother experience, join a private tour to be whiskers directly to be the best store to make the most of your Thai bath. The markets can be easily reached by the SkyChain BTS. And you drop off at the BTS Chatuchak. You walk by maybe 5 minutes and you can reach the Chatuchak weekend market. Now we're gonna find something to eat. Maybe the desserts. I love the deserts in Thailand. Today I wanna take you guys maybe eat some very famous desserts in Thailand. It's called Thai coconut sticky rice with mango. It adds some creamy. Also, if you want to add some honey, the taste is very good. As you guys can see, they are making the mango, put it into the creamy, also sticky rice. Making it very easy. The first step is to correct your ingredients, assuming you already found the mangoes. The only other thing that might require a little searching is the rice. Thai sticky rice, which also goes by the names glutinous and sweet rice, is essential for this dish. Once cooked, it has mochi-like sticky, chewy, tender texture. Not entirely surprising, since mochi is made from a Japanese variety of sticky rice. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's a perfect rice, like a masterpiece. Maybe it costs 75 to 85 if you add some honey. Other somewhat sticky Thai rice, like the short grain varieties used in Japan, Korea, and Italy, will not work well as substitutes. But you can find in Vietnamese, we have the sticky rice. It's very good. This Thai rice also requires a long soak in water, at least an hour and up to overnight, before it's drained and then steamed. The steaming is simple enough. Just line a steamer with a shears cloth or a clean dish towel. Add the rice in an even layer and let it steam over boiling water for about 20 minutes. While the rice is cooking in the steamer, put some full fast coconut milk in a saucepan, then stir in the sugar, then salt until they dissolve. There's a lot of people waiting in line to buy this coconut sticky rice with mango. I've found that about 3/4 of a cup of sugar per 14-ounce can of coconut milk is the sweetest spot for me. But this is something that can easily be adjusted to taste. Make sure to add a generous pinch of salt. Since you want to taste it, a good salty sweet interpret what you going for. Yes, this multi-fish I just buy is finished, and now I want to sitting and taste it. Thank you guys, bye.